From slaps to assault, political hooliganism is on the rise in the state of Maharashtra. Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Gaikwad was caught on camera thrashing a canteen staffer. But instead of apologizing, he justified his action, continues to justify his actions. Now, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has directed officials to take strict action. Take a look.
Maharashtra's netas are not pulling their punches these days. Here you can see Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Gaikwad assaulting the contractor of the Akashvani MLA canteen in Mumbai on Tuesday. The MLA claimed the food delivered to his room was substandard and he started feeling sick. He marched to the canteen downstairs right away to address the issue. According to the MLA, multiple complaints about food quality were ignored and he was simply serving the cause of justice.
हर तरीके के माध्यम से, गवर्नमेंट के माध्यम से, अधिकारी के माध्यम से, सब माध्यम से उनको रिक्वेस्ट करने के बाद, कंप्लेंट करने के बाद अगर उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई होती नहीं और मेरे जान से खेलेंगे तो मेरी जो रिएक्शन थी वो सही थी.
While no action was against the ruling party MLA, food safety officers were sent to raid the canteen on Wednesday.
क्या गायकवाड़ साहब ने कोई कंप्लेंट लॉन्च की है, किसी ने की?
नहीं, बेसिकली कानून में जो मतलब प्रोविजन दिया है, साफ सफाई कैसी है, वर्कर कैसे है, उनका मेडिकल चेकअप हुआ है कि नहीं, पानी कौन सा यूज करते हैं, उसका एनालिसिस रिपोर्ट है कि नहीं है, मतलब पेस्ट कंट्रोल किया है कि नहीं है. मेरे ख्याल से लास्ट चेक फरवरी में हुआ है, 18 फरवरी 2025 को.
According to canteen staff, this isn't the first time such an incident has taken place.
बोल देगा ये खाना क्या है, उसको सजा देना चाहिए, नहीं तो जेल में डालो, कुछ भी करो. मारामारी अंदर बनते, मारामारी करने के लिए थोड़ी बनते.
Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis called the MLA Sanjay Gaikwad's action unacceptable and directed Deputy CM Eknath Shinde to take action. The opposition demanded Gaikwad's arrest.
मेरी महाराष्ट्र के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को विनती करती हूँ कि ऐसे जो उनके विचारों में काम करने वाले या कोई भी एमएलए हो, अगर ऐसी हरकतें करे तो उसको पुलिस स्टेशन लाके अंदर डालना चाहिए.
लेकिन अभी तक कुछ इसमें एफआईआर दर्ज नहीं हुई है.
नहीं, अगर सरकार एफआईआर नहीं करेगी तो हम करेंगे.
There has been a series of incidents involving politicians and party workers in Maharashtra in recent times. In Washim, MNS workers were caught on camera vandalizing a toll plaza on Tuesday. And on July 7th, the drunk son of an MNS leader was seen abusing and assaulting a woman influencer. Earlier on July 3rd, a street vendor in Thane was slapped by MNS workers just because he could not speak Marathi. In all these cases, what stands out is the lack of action by the Mahayuti government. The big question remains, how long will political hooliganism go unchecked in Maharashtra? With Vidya, Omkar Wable and Harshada Parab, Bureau Report, India Today.